The next one we're going to look at is probability. So if we're looking at the probability that, so this is the little table we've been given, we're asking the probability that two people have blue eyes. So remember, when you think of the word or and the word and in probability, you're going to use different signs. Or is addition and is multiplication. So try and think of a sentence and think of what word is most appropriate. So you want person 1 to have blue eyes and person 2 to have blue eyes. So what we're going to do is take the probability that person 1 has blue eyes and then multiply it by the probability that the second person also has blue eyes. So then if you multiply them together, you're going to get 0.16. So the probability that you have two different people and they both have blue eyes is just 0.16. Usually we leave probability in decimal form, but I mean you could, if they ask you to give it in percentages or whatever you can, but usually we're just going to leave it like this. So then the second part of this question asks, what's the probability that two people have different eyes? Now I like to make probability trees because I think it's easy to not miss information that way. So there are 3 different eye colours. So you can have blue, brown or green. But then you can have 3 more because we want 2 different people, right? So blue, brown and green. Blue, brown, green, and same for this one. Blue, brown, green. Now we only want the branches where people have 2 different eye colours. So we do not want this one. We want this one and this one. We want this one, not this one, this one, this one, this one, not this one. So these are all the branches where people have 2 different types of eyes. So we're going to do this, but for all of these now. So we want blue and brown. So we're going to have 0.4, I've not left myself enough room for this, times 0.5. Green is 0.1, sorry, blue 0.4 times 0.1. Then brown, then blue, so brown is 0.5 times 0.4, brown then green, 0.5 times 0.1, brown then, green then blue, 0.1 times 0.4, green then brown, 0.1 times 0.5. So what you're going to do, I've run out of room, but I'll just talk you through it. Work out all of these, find out all of those answers, then add them together. Because what you want is this one, or this person, or this person, or this person, or this person, or this person. Okay, so the probability that all of these things would happen is going to be the addition of all of these. Because if you think about what's going to happen here, if I worked out all of them and added them together, my answer would be 1, right? Because that is the probability of everything that could possibly occur. So all of these things together are going to equal 1 because it's 100% of everything that could happen. So we're only going to count the ones that we want to happen. A slightly shorter way of doing this, I'll just grab a different colour. A slightly shorter way of doing this could be, and you can do it either way, you could work out this one, and this one, and then subtract it from 1 because then you'd be left with whatever's left over. That would be less work. But it's up to you. It doesn't matter which way you do it. Either way, you will get the right answer. Okay, let me know if you want any extra help with probability.